Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Verna door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to carefully detach interior panels. A 10mm socket wrench will be crucial for securing the handle. Don't forget your new replacement handle. Having a clean cloth and some rubbing alcohol on hand will also help ensure a neat installation. Let's get started. Now, let's move to the interior. Begin by using your trim removal tool to gently pry off the small plastic cover behind the interior door handle. You'll find 2 Phillips head screws there and in the armrest. Remove both. Next, carefully pry off the power window switch panel and disconnect its electrical connector. Finally, gently unclip the entire door panel from its fasteners, lifting it upwards to fully detach it. Take your time to avoid any damage. With the interior panel off, we can now access the old handle. First, disconnect the 2 rods attached to the back of the interior door handle by rotating their plastic clips. Then, using your 10mm socket wrench, loosen and remove the 2 bolts that secure the exterior door handle in place. Once those are out, you can carefully slide the old exterior door handle out from its mounting position. Take a moment to clean the area thoroughly. Finally, let's install your new handle and reassemble everything. Insert the new exterior door handle and secure it with the 2 10mm bolts. Reconnect the 2 rods to the interior handle, ensuring the plastic clips are firmly fastened. Now, reattach the main door panel by aligning its clips and pressing firmly. Reconnect the power window switch and snap its panel back. Screw in the 2 Phillips head screws and replace the plastic cover. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.